Meaning of galleried.
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 Galleried. The term galleried typically refers to a type of architecture or interior design feature that includes an upper level or balcony area overlooking a lower level. The upper level is often supported by columns or pillars and can be open or closed off with a railing or balustrade. This feature can be found in various types of buildings, such as museums, theaters, or historic homes. Describing something as galleried suggests an elegant and sophisticated design, while also allowing for a unique vantage point from the upper level.